Assalamu alaikum everyone. How is life? I think everything is fine. Now see, this is one of the four-sided figure which is trapezium. Look at these two figures. Can you see something similar? Yeah, these two sides, right? So they are parallel. So trapezium will have a pair of parallel side, right? Now that means x, w and y, z, they are parallel. So this is one pair. That means two sides are parallel. That's one pair of parallel sides. Okay, when two things are together, it's called a pair, isn't it? So this side and that side, right? Now see, that means trapezium will have a pair, one pair of parallel sides, that the parallel sides are opposite to each other, right? Now this proof that we have learned before as well, this explains that this, for example, if this is the trapezium that they are talking about, this angle plus this angle is equal to 180, and then this angle plus this angle is equal to 180. Right, that's the meaning. That means sum of each pair of angles between two parallel sides is 180. That means this is one pair, right? One pair. When you add this pair of angle, it will be equal to 180. When you add this pair of angle between the parallel side, so between, this is one and this is one, they are between, right? Between the parallel sides, it's equal to 180 when you sum up them. All right. Now look at this side, this one, this next page. For trapezium, PQRS and for trapezium, PQRS, PQ and S are parallel. Find the value of U and W. So first consider this side. First consider the pair of angles, which is between the parallel lines. That is U plus 70 is equal to 180, right? Now you can make U the subject, and then that means subtract 70 from this side, subtract 70 from this side, and then you get 180 minus 70, and that is 110, right? Likewise, you can consider these two angles, which is between two parallel sides, and then we can again perform like this. All right, and to get the value of W. Now let's work out the exercise. I mean the practice. All right. Now see, look at this one. The diagrams are not drawn to scale. That means, for example, if you measure using a protector, this angle may not be 77. That's the meaning. All right. Now let me get rid of this first. Can do it again. So for example, let's start with A. That means x plus 77 is equal to 180, isn't it? That means x, if it is plus 77 plus 77, I want to get rid of 77, so I will minus 77 is equal to 180 minus 77, because I am minusing 77 from this side, I have to minus 77 from the other side as well, so it will remain with x is equal to 77 minus 180, 180 minus 77. How much is that? That will be equal to 103, right? Which is equal to 103. Now that answer for x is 103. Now let's do b part. That is how much? How to write the first one? Plus how much? Okay, 67 is equal to 180. Right. So x will be a plus, for example, I will just do this step again. So this is how actually we subtract. This is how we subtract normally, but the other things we do after this will be a shortcut, because you will learn the shortcut. This is how actually what is happening. So x is equal to, sorry, this is supposed to be an equal sign, right? Now say 180 minus 67, which is equal to, so x will be equal to how much? 113, right? Now likewise you can do C and D. That is how you have to consider x and 140. X and 140 is equal to 180, and then x and 150 is equal to, x plus 150 is equal to 180. Oh, sorry, x plus 53. X plus 53 is equal to 180. Here x plus, how much is here hiding? Here it is x plus 140. 140, right? Okay, x plus 140 is equal to 180. Now look at this one. Now here, this angle, look at, we are finding x. So that means we have to consider this, the whole part, right? The whole side. That means this is parallel line, this parallel line. We have to consider these two angles between the parallel line. So it will be like 136 plus, I will give the whole angle as y. Okay, y is equal to 180. So if I write as a shortcut, y will be equal to 180 minus 136. How much is that? So y is equal to 44, right? So you found y is 44. That means, how can you find out x? So that means x plus 20 is equal to 44, right? So x will be equal to 44 minus 20, which is, therefore x is equal to how much? 24, right? So that's the value of x. I hope you understood. It's very easy, right? Thank you.